High Country Carnage. Yard shot, quartering. High Country Carnage. Hey everybody, back at you with High Country Carnage, September. I'm almost speechless right now. It's got a good buck, guys. Right before dark. Nice 4-point, heavy wide. Got a lot of work. It's raining. It's going to be shitty tomorrow. I want to put another one in him, huh? Dead. I think he's dead. I don't know how that happened.
But I'm in my rain gear. Come around the corner. A lot of does. A lot of does by themselves. Come around the corner, headed back to camp. I packed camp in here. I'm about 6 miles, 7 miles in right here. And they always say never pass. Don't pass on the first day that you would kill on the last day. It's gonna be shitty. But I gotta go down, take care of him here. At least get him opened up and then come get him tomorrow. I think there's a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 3 days left after today. High Country Carnage gets another kill shot on video. Public land. Public land buck right there, guys. And it's so freaking shitty. I debated, he's not a monster by any means, but he's wider than Steph's. He's a 4x4. I think he's got both brow tines. Good mass. Good body. Oh yeah, that's what it's all about. Filling tags with High Country Carnage. I'm gonna be getting my ass back to camp. I'm about a mile and a half away from camp. 2 miles. It'll take me 2 hours. Hope I remembered my headlamp. I don't know. I hope so. Gotta go. Let's get to the buck. Here we go, guys. Here he is. He just tumbled right down in a steep ass draw. He's no big one by any means, but he's mine. Nice 4-point. There you go. Can't really see him. Got eye guards. 24 inches wide. I'll bring the camera up tomorrow when we recover him. Looks like he's got a kicker on that side, little one. Come back at you, it's raining like hell. Well, I just got back from shooting this buck last night. I got him gutted out. Got granola bar in my mouth. Little breakfast. Anyways, it was raining like you saw on the video last night. And it was just too crappy to try to get him out. So I gutted him out, and this is how steep it is. It's like this steep. I had to tie his antler off to a bush just to keep him from going to the bottom, but that was a fun hunt, hard hunt. Nothing's easy in this mule deer country. So another kill for High Country Carnage. This is when I wish we had some Team Carnage here to help me pack it out, because this is going to be a bitch. And I'm not even lying on that, but solo hunt 2015. Got me a nice 4-point buck. It's hard to tell. I don't want to break him loose or to show you. We'll get some footage and stuff when it's all boned out and in the pack. So it was a good hunt. Does are out by themselves, full moon, and the bucks were locked down in the brush pockets all day until, I mean, you saw this, it was right at dark by the time I shot him. Got down here to gut him, it was dark, so right at barely shooting light, and got me a nice chocolate horn buck. Well, now the work begins. This is gonna be a mama getting him out, so thank you, buddy. And got 3 tags filled so far. Got a couple more left, so stay with us, Team Carnage.